Are you respecting yourself? Yes, it's a very, very basic question, but in today's video, we will delve deeper into one specific aspect. Self-respect entails so much, so many ways in which you can respect yourself. But one thing that you experience every day in your life, and how can you experience self-respect? How can you remove that disempowering impact it has on you when you are not honoring yourself? And what can you really do about it? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. जब सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट की हम बात करते हैं, बहुत लूजली यूज टर्म है, बहुत सुना होगा, बहुत जगह हम डिस्कशंस भी हुए होंगे, लेकिन अक्सर जब रिस्पेक्ट की बात आती है तो हम बाहर देखते हैं, हमें सबसे रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए, राइट? और हमारा जो the respect that I am receiving from outside is proportional to how I'm honoring myself, isn't it? मैं अपने आप को किस पेडेस्टल पे रख रही हूँ, किस लेवल पे रख रही हूँ, वो मुझे बाहर से कितना रिस्पेक्ट मिल रहा है, उस पर निर्भर करने लग गया है. I feel I'm worthless if I'm not getting that respect. I feel I'm not good enough. Right? Happens with you. I'm sure you'll be able to relate to this. Now, the thing is that when I look for that respect outside, whatever is the behavior that people are giving me, it is coming from their beliefs. It is about them. It's not about me. उनका जो बिलीफ सिस्टम है, उनकी जो सोच है, कंडीशनिंग है, उनके हिसाब से चीज़ें ऐसी होनी चाहिए, लोग ऐसे होने चाहिए, उस बेसिस पर वो एक तरह से बिहेव करते हैं मेरे टुवर्ड्स. वो मुझे रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, नहीं करते हैं, कुछ बोलते हैं, नहीं बोलते हैं, और मैं उसे अपनी परफॉर्मेंस से लिंक करती हूँ. मैं यहाँ सोचने लग जाती हूँ कि मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ. Self-doubt comes in. I start doubting myself. I start thinking I'm not good enough. Now the question is, are you honoring yourself really? When you're doubting yourself because of the reactions or because of the treatment, actions, behaviors of the outside people, outer world, are you really honoring yourself? And who holds the responsibility to respect you? किसकी जिम्मेदारी है? और क्यों हम पेन में होते हैं? वो इसीलिए होते हैं क्योंकि हमने वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बाहर डाल दी है. क्या ऐसा कर लूं कि बाहर से वो रिस्पेक्ट मिल जाए? और इसलिए जिस इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट की मैं बात कर रही थी, जो एवरीडे लाइफ में होता है, वो ये है कि we cling on to things, we cling on to people, we cling on to situations, we cling on to organizations. I will not leave this job. No, I cannot. Even if it's not honoring me, it's not in sync with my core values, but that's okay. It is a status symbol. People respect me because I am at so and so position. I'm here. And after all, ऐसा ही तो होता है. People cling on into relationships. That's okay. Big deal. ऐसे ही तो होते हैं relationships. मैं ही शायद कुछ सही नहीं कर रहा हूँगा या कर रही होंगी, मेरे साथ ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा. And despite the fact that we see that this organization or this person or this event is not in sync, it is not honoring who I am, I still cling on. मैं फिर भी वहाँ रहती हूँ, जुड़ी रहती हूँ. होता है आप लोगों के साथ. I'm sure you'll be able to see in your works, the work that you're doing in your jobs, so many of your the people around, the relationships that you're in. Why? The only reason is because we have our own fears. We have our own beliefs. अगर मैंने ये छोड़ दिया तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, अगर मैंने ये इफ आई लीव दिस रिलेशनशिप, इफ आई क्विट, मैं अकेली रह जाऊंगी, जो मुझे यहाँ से मिल रहा है वो नहीं मिलेगा. And it is all linked to our experiences in life, our childhood, lot of different things. But what I want to tell you is, it's again a choice. To honor yourself is a choice. Why there is so much of pain is because जो मुझे नहीं ऑनर कर रहा है, और बहुत बार आपको पता भी नहीं होता है what does it mean honoring yourself. Honoring yourself is respecting who you are, you respecting what you stand for, you respecting what is important for you, what is non-negotiable for you, what is in sync with your core values. कुछ चीजें होती हैं जिन पे आप negotiate नहीं कर सकते, which are so much a part of you. I do understand the others could be beliefs, which we've picked up and which may be limiting us. तो हो सकता है आपको रोक रहे हैं, बैरियर बन रहे हैं, बट कुछ चीजें हैं जो बहुत इंट्रिंसिक हैं, जो आपका पार्ट है. आप जब उनके ऊपर पैर रख के आगे बढ़ जाते हो, then you're not honoring yourself. And when you let people do that, you're not honoring yourself. So when it comes to respecting yourself, वो जिम्मेदारी आपकी है, आपको रिस्पेक्ट करने की. और जब आप वो नहीं करते हो, you will experience pain, you will experience powerlessness because you're not being authentic to yourself. तो जब किसी सिचुएशन में, किसी रिलेशनशिप में, किसी वर्क सेटअप में आप वो पेन महसूस कर रहे हो, चैलेंज महसूस कर रहे हो, then somewhere you need to look that maybe you're not honoring who you are, maybe you're not respecting yourself. Yeah, and it is very, very basic. It is very, very important. And I can tell you, the moment you respect yourself, you will start to attract situations, people around you who will also respect you. You will get so much of respect outside. But it is only going to happen when you are respecting yourself. Because when you respect yourself, that's when you show the world how to treat you. And that's when you're going to magnetize, you're going to attract those kind of people. So whether it means having your boundaries, whether it means defining what works, what doesn't work, जो भी कुछ है, बहुत कुछ आ जाता है उसमें, but stop clinging on to things which do not honor you. And इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सामने वाला इंसान, सामने वाला इवेंट, सिचुएशन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. वो है, it's there, but just that it's not honoring who you are. Okay? मुश्किल होगा चीजों को जाने देना, letting them go, but it is non-negotiable. Anything where you feel you're not respecting yourself, just let it go. Any area where you feel you're not being honored, you are not honoring yourself. It's not about the outside world. आप अपने आप को respect कर रहे हो, आप अपने आप को honor कर रहे हो, that is the priority. And for that, whatever needs to be done, do not hesitate. It's a muscle that you build. It's not easy, बहुत जान निकलती है. But when you do it over and over again, that's the power. Great, I hope you found this meaningful. You were able to relate with it. Go ahead, do it, respect yourself. The onus lies only on you. Respect yourself, honor yourself, and let anything which doesn't respect you, which doesn't honor you, let it go. Yeah. Take care. See you very, very soon in the next video. Bye-bye.